YouTube, welcome back guys. So as you know, today is the pre-order date for the new and latest Samsung Galaxy S10 series. You could order the S10e, S10 or the S10 Plus. So the pre-order start from February 21st to March 7th of 2019. And then after that, you actually go to the store on March 8th to buy the phone. Let's go ahead and click on pre-order now. So I'm going to get the S10 Plus, and I'm going to get the unlocked version. You're going to go down and select your color. I'm going to select the ceramic black, 512 gigabyte. The price is $1,249.99. And then it automatically check the trade-in and say up to $550. Last time I already checked it already, and then the trade-in wasn't that good. I can resell my old phone for more, so I'm gonna click on remove. If you don't click on remove, when you press continue, it will ask you what kind of phone, and then you select the model of your phone and then click on trade-in. So for example, if I click on Samsung, here's all the value for the trade-in, okay? And the phone must be in a good working order and no cracks on the screen. So I'm going to remove the trade-in program. Gonna press continue. What? Say no thanks. So I'm not sure if they give us $50 values. I'm not sure if we can use it now or later. I'm just gonna click on this and see. Oh, so this is almost like a extended care warranty or something. Costs you about $11.99. So in-person customer care, care that comes to you, so you don't have to wait in line. Premium protection, which is whatever happens to your phone, even accidental damage, we will fix it. Extended service contract, stay covered after your standard warranty runs out. I'm gonna keep on skip that. Activate your phone. Even though I select the unlocked version, phone come with the CDMA, and then you can use it for GSM as well. But if I select GSM, it's only you can use it for GSM. And if I decide to go to Verizon, which is CDMA format, I cannot use it. So let me click on skip. So it says, how would you like to pay? Samsung upgrade, Samsung Finance, pay in full. So when you pay in full, it's $1,264.98. So I say pay now with the credit card or debit, exclude taxes and shipping. So there will be a shipping fee then. Click on this and see what happened. Oh, so it's a free shipping fee. So I'm not sure what's the discount. Bundle discount, promotional discount. Oh, the free earbuds. Let me delete this. So this is the price when I add the dual wireless charger, $1,342.30. And then the total discount is $157.69. Let me remove it again. I don't want to spend that much money. I don't need the dual. So let me check if I don't need the wireless charging pad. Skip now. skip the protection, and then skip activating your device. Wow, so it's 1,249.99. That is just to buy the phone itself. I believe there's no tax. So let me click on the cart before I checked out. So yeah, the discount is $129.99. The total was supposed to be $1,379.98. But there's a bundle discount, which is good. Apple doesn't do that. So I'm gonna click on pay now. So there's a tax then. Let me go click on pay now. Log in my name, my email, and password. So some of the taxes still show 0. Maybe I gotta enter my address first and see what is the tax rate. And then shipping method, there is expedited. Click on it. Oh, you cannot. It says free. So I guess it's come with it already. So right here, I gotta enter my credit card information. So you can select a credit card or PayPal. Get my credit card. All right, so you gotta be sure that you check everything on the box. Wow, $1,359.36. So the total saving $129.99. That's just the earbud that you get it for free. That is quite expensive. So now I could click on place order. So here you go. Hit place order now. So you're gonna enter the cell phone number that you can receive a text message for your order status. And then you're gonna click on confirm. And then that's it. You're done. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.